Hey there everyone, welcome back to Imagination Tech. So last Valentine's Day, this happened. Hindi na ako umikti.
Happy Valentine's! Ano nakalagay?
TrueRC Cinebot. Kasi, parang ganun.
Happy Valentine! Ba't ka nagkakry-cry?
Sana to sa mga in-order.
This is the Cinebot30 and my wife bought it for me. As you saw in the video, I was checking my phone for my shopping apps. Maybe my wife had ordered it from there. But yeah, I wasn't really expecting anything. It wasn't ordered through there. She ordered it through a friend, and I was just expecting some tools because we were renovating the house, so I was just expecting some stuff for the house. So I was completely taken by surprise. And that happened back in February, and you might notice that you're watching this in April. And that's because I've really been so busy. And that's the problem. I have a full-time job, so I don't always get the opportunity to shoot videos or to do as much editing as I'd want to, even though I've already upgraded my editing workstation, got a new laptop and stuff. But yes, it's also the perfect time to plug in that I do have a coffee link down below in the description, as well as a Patreon. So if you do want to help me out, produce more content for this channel, please check out the description below. Anything helps. $1 to buy me a cup of coffee. $1 goes a long way for for those long nights when I have to edit a video. So yes, taking a look at this is the Cinebot30. I'm not going to do a full review because there has been already a ton of reviews out there, especially from Nick Burns, from Runcam's RC. They have really great reviews of the Cinebot30. But this is a 3-inch quad. And it's really nice. The camera is on its own platform, vibration dampening platform. It has a titanium cage for the camera. This is the analog version, by the way. You can get it also in digital version. And my wife got me correctly a 6S version with TBS Crossfire built in already, set up. So when this got to me, this was already I just needed to bind it up and fly. So you can see that there is the VTX right here. I think that's the VTX, or maybe that's the Crossfire receiver. And everything is all neatly, put in that stack right in the middle. And you just need a couple of screws to unscrew if you need to access the stack. But I haven't had the need to do so yet. So out of the box, this flies really great. And also LEDs. As you can see, I have here a GoPro 6 mount. This is for a GoPro 6 or a GoPro 5, 6, or 7. So it can carry a full-size GoPro. It doesn't fly really good. Since this is a 6S version, it doesn't fly really good on 4S with the full GoPro, but on 6S it can handle it really well. It can even have do really aggressive dives and still pull out of it with a 6S, even with the GoPro. So it has good power for you to be able to accomplish whatever shot. Even it's not meant for freestyle, but it is capable enough on its own. You can go down to a 4S if you need more throttle control, perhaps when you're flying indoors, because you want to be steady on the sticks. Speaking of flying indoors, so I initially had the camera set up for around 15 degrees, 20 degrees, and I found that it was still going around too fast. So right now it's almost level, so it's almost flat. And if you want slow cinematic shots, or if you're taking indoor shots, that's probably the way to go. So yes, this is really great Cinebot, a Cinewhoop. It's actually my very first Cinewhoop, and also my very first bind and fly. So all of my quads that I've got, aside from the small ones, of course, aside from the Tiny Hawk freestyles and everything, but for the 5-inch and up, I've always been building my own quads, and this is the first time I got a bind and fly. So it's really great. Just taking it out of the box, putting on the props, and then actually it came with the props, but putting on the GoPro mount, just plugging in a battery, binding it to your radio, and then you're off to the races. You go straight out and fly. Yes, that's going to be my quick first impression after flying this for a couple of weeks now. So it's really great. If you're looking for a Cinewhoop, and you can find a Cinelog 35 anywhere, Cinebot30 is a really great alternative.
nagulat eh. Nabigla.
So that is it for my quick impression of the Cinebot 30. I've been flying this for a couple of weeks now, and I found it really impressive. So if this video helped you, consider the Cinebot 30, or if you just enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And since most of my viewers aren't subscribers yet, I also encourage you to click on that subscribe button as well. That helps me a lot. Even if you don't send me coffee via my coffee link or Patreon, that's fine. Just click on that subscribe button. That's gonna do a lot for me, right? So I'm going to leave you with that. As always, keep building and keep flying.